Your dog might be smarter than you think. They can understand over 165 words and signals. Yep, you're basically living with a furry toddler, so hit like if you've ever had a full-blown conversation with your pup. Studies show dogs, especially superstars like border collies, can learn up to 1,000 words. They don't just hear ball or sit, they know what you mean. Some even understand different objects and actions like a human toddler learning to speak. They read your voice, watch your hands, and connect it all to what you want them to do. That's not just good boy energy, that's brain power. So next time your dog tilts their head when you talk, they're probably decoding your message. Drop a comment if your dog already speaks fluent Human.